Hi guys! Today I wanted to review this teeth whitening kit from Dr. Brite. And Dr. Brite, they make mouthwashes and toothpaste, whitening pens, all kinds of cool oral care that is all natural, vegan, cruelty-free, non-toxic, really good stuff. And I've liked this brand for years, but this is new to me. I haven't tried their teeth whitening kit. So this is a professional strength natural teeth whitening tray and accelerator LED light. It says instantly whitens up to 8 shades. 8 shades! 5 times faster than leading strips. It's safe and effective with no sensitivity. That's a big deal. I don't whiten my teeth often, but there have been a few kits that I've tested out. They have made me feel a little like, ooh, cha, 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 cha. It burns. Do you know what I mean? So that's nice that they point that out. It says made in the USA, vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, PEG-free, compostable, recyclable. So in the kit, it comes with, oh, that's cool. The little light is attached to the tray, which makes it really simple. So it's got this like silicone gushy little mouth tray and this LED light thing. Pretty cool. I'm gonna turn that off, and it comes with 2 swabs, which I'm not quite sure what they're for yet, but I'm going to read on. It says step 1, avoid touching gel while removing tray from package. Wait, oh, the gel is in the tray. Whoa. Oh, I was looking in the package like, oh no, I didn't get any gel. The gel is in the tray, you guys. Okay, so it says to break the vitamin E swab at the red line, allowing oil to soak into opposite end of swab, then apply across the gum. So you apply this vitamin E oil, this vitamin E swab along the gums, and then you plug LED accelerator tray, and then plug LED accelerator into tray. Already been done. Press button to turn light on, place tray in mouth, and gently bite down. I can do that. Keep tray in mouth for 15 minutes. Remove tray from mouth, press button to turn off light, and then we rinse. Okay, so I'm going to break open the swab. Break vitamin E swab at the line. Okay, I just broke the swab. I don't know if you can see, but the little oil is like bloop, 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 bloop. It's draining into this end of the swab. And then I'm gonna swab my gums, y'all.
This is pretty cool.
And we're gonna do that with the bottom gums. So we're gonna break at the little red line. Boop. Let the oil drain into the opposite end of the swab. Okay, done. Now I'm going to turn the light on and bite down on the tray. And then I leave it in my mouth for 15 minutes. Sounds easy enough, right? I'm gonna turn the light on and I'm gonna bite down. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go spit and rinse this out, and I will be right back. Let me turn this little light off. I read on the package that you don't want to throw this away because it's reusable up to 24 times. So I'm gonna put this right back in the bag for next time. And now the moment of truth. I just quickly looked in the mirror and yeah, I could tell they're definitely whiter. I'm very excited. Okay, ready? So if you go to drbrite.com, you'll see all their different whitening kits. They have a starter kit, they have refill trays. Very affordable, especially when you look at the other companies that are providing whitening kits that aren't all natural, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, yada, yada, yada. This one is the bomb. If you are interested in ordering one of these kits for yourself, I'll have a link below with more info. And I have a coupon code for you guys. Check the caption for more details. And thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah! Bye from me and my newer, whiter teeth.